Okay, so welcome back everyone to our channel, Sproutin' Season. This is going to be part 2 of the laundry organization, and my husband is putting together the shelf unit. It finally came in yesterday, and we're going to put it in the laundry room and organize everything in there. But I just wanted to show you, do you know what size this is?
4 foot by 1 foot deep shelving unit.
That doesn't look like it's very big, like the one in our kitchen. And I'll show you the one in our kitchen so you get an idea. Okay, so this is the shelf unit in our kitchen, and it's a lot bigger. But I just wanted to give you an idea. And there's our dog Leo. Say hi, Leo. So I don't think it's going to take very long to put together. And I believe we got this off Amazon, correct? You can find everything on Amazon. So we will show you the finished product once we're done, or he's done more likely, and show you the end result, what it looks like and everything. Okay, so we're gonna get all the stuff off the shelves and take this one out as well, okay? Look at that. So we gotta clean all that up. Very dirty. There's spots from all the broom and the mop, well, the mop really. So we're gonna try to get that off. If it doesn't come off, then we'll have to paint that. See, it's not very tall, but it should do the job, and it's nice and sturdy. So it looks like only 2 bins fit per shelf. Okay, so we're still trying to figure out what to do with these little baskets. So I had to move the bins around vertically, that way I could fit this basket, you know, in between. And I'm going to do the same for this. These are all our bags, plastic bags. You know, I save those, we use them a lot. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a plastic bin to put all our extras down there. So far that's what it looks like. Okay friends, so we are done with the laundry room. It's almost complete. We did have to order a mop and broom rack because we forgot about that. So we'll have to wait and put it up there on that wall. But see, that is a different shelf unit. It's a lot sturdier. We got that from Amazon, and then we bought those totes down there at the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree / Family Dollar. I think they're like a 40 quart. That's where I had to put my mop bucket and mop for now. I had forgotten about that, so that takes up some space, but there was space there in between those shelves and the little pet bins here. And see, we have here pet stuff in both of these, and these also, I believe, these bins I got at the dollar store. And I have the cat food there and the cat pooper scooper, but that is it. It's a small laundry space. And then I have here laundry, the never ending story. And then I got these cute little faux succulents from Walmart. Okay, I believe they're almost $10 for a 3-pack. And it gives it just a cute vibe. And I really like this window because you can just look out while you're doing laundry and watch it rain or watch the sunshine. Okay, and then here I have another sign, laundry room, loads of fun. I got that also at the dollar store along with the other sign. But that is it, friends. We cleaned up really well. There was scruffs on that wall over there. Cleaned that up. And that is it. So just to give you some ideas, so when you're doing your organizational space for your laundry room, you can buy those plastic bins at the dollar store or at Walmart, and just organize your space and make it neater and more efficient for you.